Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Student, open you all of your ORC book page number 146 of story number 19, Lazy Bonsions. Well fielded, you caught that just in time to Mary Mathers when she understood a joke. That's stumped you, Bob, to Bob Smith when he could not answer a question. A hat-trick, Mike, keep it up, and you will get promoted in the batting order to Mike Button, who always did well in his tests, but who was not the brightest pupil in the class. Out for a duck ball to Paul Jamison, who often got no marks at all for his maths. You will be owner of the oval pretty soon. And he would be encourage the class with, "Come on guys, be team players, don't let the side down." On Monday morning, Mr. Dogan told the children that he was being put in charge of weekend camping trip to Downford Nature Reserve. "It is a great place and you will enjoy it," he told them when they had climbed down. "But I want you all to do your fair share, teamwork and all that, eh?" The children promised to help, only JJ mumbled something and did not look too keen. There was much debate about what they should take, where they would sleep, what they would eat, and so on. Mr. Dogan answered all their questions. The rest of the week passed without incident. Plans were made, and the excitement in the class grew. Not much serious classwork was done. On Friday, the children got to school early. A large coach waited for them in the school car park. Parents and children stood around in the little groups waiting for someone in authority to show their face, and soon Mr. Dogan appeared with a beaming smile. Mr. Dogan went from group to group and chatted merrily with the parents and assured them that their little darling would have a wonderful trip and that every effort had been made to ensure that safety and comfort. After the equipment, food and bags had been packed into the coach, Mr. Dogan announced that the children should board the coach. The excited children said their farewells. Some were tearful. When all the heads on the board, the coach had been counted at least 4 times and the driver was in his seat. The coach moved off. As it passed out of the school gates and rumbled on the road, the children burst into a song. "We are going to on a summer holiday. Fun and laughter for a day or two," shrieked the children, and like an infection, the singing and laughter spread to those children who had been tearful earlier on. The bus sped on it the open countryside. At 4 o'clock the coach turned off the main highway into a narrow road. It soon passed through a grand gateway with a sign that read, "Down for Nature Reserve." The children pointed and spoke excitedly about what they could see out of the windows. JJ was not impressed. "It looks deserted to me," he said. "I hope someone has got our tea ready. I'm starving." Janet Tompkins, who was sitting beside him. "Student, your homework is this. You have to read these pages from book page number 146 to 148. Memo underline words. Do dictation at your home. Good luck. Allah Hafiz."